Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to talk about a very good job which is from Reliance Jio. You know that Reliance is a very big company and there are a lot of job opportunity in Reliance. Now they are offering a permanent work from home job. This job is very good, which is work from home remote job, and you are staying in any part of India, you can apply for this job and join the job immediately. And the salary is also very good. They are giving 20, and the salary is also very good. They are giving 22,000 salary, and the age criteria is 18 plus to 40 years, and anybody can join this job. You can be any graduate, uh, a retired person or a housewife. Anyone can join this job. This is a very good job opportunity. There is no investment or no interview. There is no selection process. Immediately you can join the job and start working. Since this is a work from home opportunity and this is a permanent opportunity, it is very good for women and men who are seeking a job employment and who have just passed out of college. This is a great job opportunity. There is no need to shift from your hometown. You can work from the comforts of your home. You know that Reliance is a very big company, and the salary is very good, and their increment and all is going to be very good. You have to know good English communication. This is a customer care job. I will explain about the job clearly in the video. Please go through the video without skipping. Before we get into the video, I want to give a small information. SEO classes and phonics class are conducted for housewives. Phonics class is 1 month course and the course fee is 10,000. They will teach you all the basics of phonics. This is a very good opportunity for housewives, and they're recruiting only housewives. And this is a very good opportunity for them because they can start teaching phonics to all the school students. You know that within India or outside India, phonics has a very good job opportunity. You can start taking classes or you can have your institute of your own. So this course you can is a very good job opportunity for housewives who want to work from home. And the next is 3 month SEO course for 15,000 rupees. As you all know, search engine optimization is the latest technology which is being used by each and every company who wants to gain profits and who wants to be known and who wants to be searched by the Google. And Google search results are the most important thing for any company for to grow. So SEO helps them to get seen in Google and get more profits and more clients. So SEO is very important for any company. So you can take this SEO job, SEO course, and you can get a job or you can work from home for any client of your own. So this is 1 month phonics course, and a 3 month SEO course is available for housewives only. This is for housewives only, I am repeating. And you can WhatsApp to the number given below, and they will give you all the further information. Let's get back to the video. My blog daytodayreads.com, press work from home. If you come down, there are so many articles I have given where you can see all the job links are inside. You can check it out. Reliance Geo work from home jobs 2024. Please click this article. And as I have told you, this is from Geo and this is from work from home job, and this is a typing work, and the salary is 22,000 per month, and there is immediate selection. There is no big interview process for this, and 12th pass is necessary, and free training is also given, and you need not pay any amount for the training. I have given all the details about the job here in this article. You can go through that. And if you further come down here, you can see join here. Please click this. This Reliance Jio is hiring for customer service blended process, and 0 to 3 years. It means that even freshers can opt for this process. It is totally remote. Though the hiring office is located in Delhi, you need not go to Delhi. You can work from home. All the interviews, everything will be conducted online only. Let's see the job description. Here is the opportunity for India's largest telecom company looking for excellent English verbal and written communication skills. Please read the opening carefully and share your resume. This is a permanent work from home opportunity, and this is a blended process where you have to chat with the customers and also reply to their emails if there is any query from them. The requirements: candidate must have an excellent communication skill because you're going to be talking to the customer. You should be able to understand them and reply to them clearly. Candidate must have on paper 6 months of BPA experience, non-voice or voice they are asking, and graduate or undergraduate freshers with excellent English skills required. Applicant must have laptop and good broadband connection. Not hiring. pursuing students, that is students who are studying currently cannot apply for this job. You should have been completed your graduation course at least. Let's see other details. It is 6 days working and 1 rotational week off. Rotational shifts is available and 9 hours working. The salary is 2.11 lakhs per annum, and age criteria is 18 to 40 years. And they have given the phone number also. If you have any doubts, you can call the person and ask. They have given the name like Vaishnavi Parab. You can call them or the mail them and ask your queries directly. So interview timings is from 10 a.m. to 6:30 p.m. Everything is going to be online only or through the phone. So please apply to the job immediately. Thank you. And for these updates, please subscribe to my channel.